This exercise is the moving of yin and yang. The moving of yin and yang is a very powerful exercise. It can help balance and heal all the internal organs and the spine, and really helps to balance the yin and the yang energy in the body. So you want to start with your feet hip width apart, knees slightly bent, shoulders are relaxed. Wear a smile on your face. Draw your chin back to straighten the spine. Drop your shoulders, and you want your fingers slightly open to help receive the energy. You start with your right hand in front of your upper chest and your left hand in front of your lower dantian or your navel area. And you start moving your right hand out and down as the left hand comes in and up. And then the hand that comes in and up is coming right up in front of your face before it moves out, away from your body and down. And the lower hand goes down to the bottom of the torso before it comes in and up. If you can, visualize there's a transparent energy column in the middle of your torso, shining with beautiful colors. The energy column runs from the head to the bottom of your torso. You want to use your elbows to guide the movement, so your hands are free and relaxed to feel the energy. You're moving slowly in a circular pattern. The slower you go, the more energy you will conjure or cultivate. And again, if you can, you visualize there's a beautiful transparent energy column with beautiful colors running from the top of your head to the bottom of the torso. And you can visualize the channels in the torso are opening up. So remember to keep your spine straight. Your head is not tense though, but it is in alignment with your spine. And your knees are slightly bent. And just focus on how this feels when you're doing this movement.